Hello everyone, this video I'm going to walk you guys on how you can go ahead and use Discord effectively and navigate Christane's server. So on the very left you're going to see different servers that you're in, and one of them is going to be Christane. So on the very left is just the different servers that you're in, and you can go here and add a server. You can go explore public servers, but that's just all the servers that you're in. And once you do come to Christane's server, you're going to notice all of these channels on the left. And what these essentially are just different chat rooms that talk about what their topic is based about. So if you go on to earnings reports, you're going to find topics about earning reports. And if you go to fix my portfolio, you're going to have people putting their portfolios and fixing them. And over here in buying shares, you're going to see Christane posting what he buys, and over here what he sells. So all of these are just different channels with their topics. And over on the top you also see these categories, and these just have different channels into them based on the topic of the category. So on to Learning Center you have the different channels for learning, like stock lingo, fix my portfolio, etc. And so once you do come back, you're going to see that there's some channels that have this white, and there's some of them that have this gray text. And so the white text essentially just means that there's new discussions, there's a new message on that channel. So if I go to options, I'm going to see that there's a new message here, and it's going to be separated by this new and then this line. So that's just going to be the new messages that come in. So if I go in new members, it's going to be new messages here as well. So that's just that. And if you want to reply to someone's message, you can go ahead and click this reply on their message. So if you click on reply, then you can type in whatever you want to say. So I could say no problem, and then you've replied to them. And once you get these tags by me6, this is essentially just a bot, and you can gain levels by typing messages and gaining XP. And once you gain enough XP, you go ahead and level up. So when you go over to someone's message, you're going to find this add reaction button. This just means that you're adding some type of emoji next to their message. So I could go here and do this thumbs up, and it would react just like this, and there would be two reactions because someone else has also reacted. So that's just going to be this little message for this little emoji next to their message. And on here you can basically just type your messages. Over on this this plus button, this is just to add things from your computer file. If you want to upload pictures and things like that from your computer file, that's where you do that from. And over here you can just go ahead and give people Nitro, which is just a Discord premium service. Over here you can put in different GIFs that you want to put in. And right here, if you click on this, you're just going to find a lot of emojis. I'm in many different servers, so I'm going to have different emojis, but most likely you're going to have the default ones. And if you do want to notify someone of what they've, if you want to say something to them, so let's say if I want to say something to this person, I could go ahead and click on this @ and then go ahead and type their name in. Then I could go ahead and click on their name, and then I can type whatever I want to, and it will notify them. So that's how you can go do that. And if you also are replying to someone like this, if you don't want them to be notified of that, you can go ahead and click off on this, and then it will be off, and then they won't be notified of whatever you say. But you can turn that back on if you want them to be notified. And if you want to change your name in the server, like a nickname, you can go ahead and click on the name and then go here and change nickname. And this basically is just going to change your nickname in the server. It's not going to change your username everywhere on Discord. It's just going to change it only on Christane's server. So I could say investor or something like that, and this would just change to investor. And on the very right, you're going to see these different roles and these people. So superstar is essentially just different roles that people have. So I think the $20, $50 mistake, correct me if I'm wrong, but I think that's how you can go ahead and get the superstar role. So if you do get the superstar role, you're gonna have it separated on the very right by the member list. And this is for all star, and this is for all pro. This is just differentiated by the roles. Now, if you go into the different, if you go into bot commands, you can basically just type in rank, and then you can go ahead and get your rank in the server by which you level up. You can also just do it like this, and then it will do the same thing. And over here, you're going to find different announcements going on. You can go react to this. And at everyone is basically just going to ping every single person in the server. So that's basically just how it all works. You can go ahead and go to different channels, type messages, and that's all basically there is to it. If you're creating a server, that's a whole different thing, but this is just how to work towards Christine's server, and this is how it's all done. It may look very complicated at first, but it's actually pretty simple once you get used to it. So that is basically it, and that's how you can navigate Christine's server.